the clips, you'll see that all of them have like 0.2 seconds, 0.3 seconds, 0.7 seconds. Those are all formatted. That's how much time you have for that segment. And that you can't make that any longer, you can't make that any less, but that's okay, because I don't think you need much more than that. It gives you suggestions like medium, landscape. You don't have to pay any attention to that. You can put in there whatever you want to. It's really not that. They're just giving you suggestions or ideas on what to put in there. So if I want to, there are 3 different ways that you can put video or clips into each one of these segments. And the first one is, so if you click on it, I know I'm going to have 0.2 seconds of video. And down, I don't know if you can see the very bottom down here, but there's a little movie clip. There's boxes like photos, and then on the right-hand side is like a little movie camera. And if you click on the film, that actually takes you to your camera roll. So anything that you film, record in your camera roll, any type of video, this is where you'll go to pull it up. If I click on one of these, that's too big. I just take that picture. Okay, if I click on it, you see at the bottom down here, see the little blue arrow? If I click on that, it automatically puts that up there. And it will run for 0.2 seconds, whatever that piece was, that video. So if you want to change, and you want it to start at a certain point and end at a different point, you click on it, and you can actually move it, the little yellow arrow, to where it'll start where you want it to. Okay? For pictures, same thing. You can go to your camera roll, your photo library, or your photo stream. And you can just pull in any of the pictures. You just tap it once, and it puts it in there. And that will run for how many seconds it said. The third type is to actually, if you click on the little video, you can record directly into that spot. So, all you have to do is click the little, when you're ready to film, click the little red button, and whatever you're filming will automatically go into that spot. One word of caution, I learned this the hard way, it does not go to your camera roll. So if you're actually videoing and you're in a project, the only way you can access that video is in that project. You can't move that video to another project. You can't move it to another spot. So I would suggest if you're not sure which video you want to use, you might want to always just video it into your camera roll and then pull it in. But just FYI, if you record directly into your project, it stays there. Let's see what else. I can show you maybe. I hate to move anything, but if I want to record, okay. I'm back. One thing, while I'm doing this, I didn't realize this, and you guys will see in some of the video that I did. My iPad slips in my cover. So when I go to record, I didn't realize it, but my iPad has slipped and it covers the camera a little bit. Okay. Dirty birds.
It's frustrating.
Okay, I'm all ready.
Now from this video. It's the next one. You have to make sure it's tight.
Hold on, as tight as I can.
There it is.
Okay. So it has a countdown. Okay, and it automatically stops. Whenever your seconds that it says that clip is supposed to be, it automatically stops, and see it put it all the way in there. Automatically. So, now if I want to see what I've done so far, if you just go up and click the arrow where it says video camera to the left, you can play it. And remember, I chose the scary. It was that fast. Those were those 3 clips I did. It showed them already. Now it just plays the stuff that's already there. So you know, 2 seconds or whatever is not very long. Okay, and again, if I want to change based on time events, I just go in here and change this to project connect. I know I'm not doing all capitals, but then do done. So when it comes back, it'll show that in that space instead of OCIC film or whatever. Okay, so let me see.